the air on?
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I'm going to dinner and shopping with my sister.
Hi.
That's Leslie, and this is not planned. This is actually very last minute. She called me and she's in town, so we're going to go get some food, and I need to update my makeup. So we're gonna go to Bare Minerals. I need some new foundation, concealer, and eyeliner. I think I wrote down my shades. And Leslie needs to go to Pottery Barn because she just moved into a new house, so she needs to get some things. So anyway, here we go. You know how I hate vlogging in public, but we're gonna do it anyway tonight. So come along and shop with us. Back home now, and it's actually really late. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. It's like 9:37 or 9:45. So I'm actually going to show you what I got tomorrow, but I did get things from both Sephora and Bare Minerals. So I got my haul from Sephora here. I basically got my mascara and concealer. Everything that I got, almost everything that I got, was just on my list, like I needed to update it. And then at Bare Minerals, let me see if you can look into this thing. This is what I got from Bare Minerals. And I got a few free gifts, and they had a 20% off sale, which was really nice. But I basically updated my foundation. I needed foundation, concealer. I'll show it all to you tomorrow. I'm tired. Plus the lighting is not very good in here, and I don't want to bring out my huge filming light. So this is something that I always do, but I changed the sheets on our bed today, and I just let the mattress air out, and then sometimes I forget to put the sheets back on. So now it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed, and look, no sheets on the bed. Gotta go put the sheets on the bed. All right, I'm going to go do that, go to bed, and then I will see you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, so I just wanted to show you what I got. So from Sephora, you saw I purchased the mascara that I always buy. It's the YSL Burgundy mascara. And what's it called? Yeah, the Volume Effect Fossil mascara. And I just always have this, so I was kind of running out, so I had to get a new one. And then Benefit's Boing Industrial Strength Concealer, and I usually use that for spot concealing, not under eye. I'm a bit worried because they changed the packaging. It looks different than the kind I used to have, and this color seems so dark. But that is the color number 3 that I had in the old formula, so we will see. Okay, moving on to what I got from Bare Minerals. So I was almost out of foundation and concealer and mineral veil. So what I did was I purchased the Bare Pro foundation, and I use the shade Sandstone. I believe it's number 16, yeah. And then the lady who helped me said that I should try the Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder on top, which I wasn't previously doing, so I got that in Sandstone as well. There we go. So she said that what I do is I apply this one first, then I apply that one on top, and I don't need the mineral veil when I do that. Now I said, well, what if I just want to apply the powder? So she said if I just wanted to apply the powder, then I should use this brush. So I got this brush right here. So we'll see. So maybe some days I'll feel like the powder, some days I'll do both, some days I'll only do the Bare Pro and the mineral veil. Okay, then I was almost completely out of eyeliner, and I didn't get to go to the Chanel counter, so I just purchased the purple eyeliner that I like from Bare Minerals, and this is just a bronzy brown color. What's it called? Eternal Bronze, I think. So I'll try that and see if that works. I got concealer. I was all out of concealer. I used the shade number 2. There we go. And I did get a new lip gloss. It's important to update these every now and then, so, you know, to stay hygienic. This is the Gen Nude color in Too Legit. Okay, and then this is a free gift that I got, which is so cute. This little case and this bronzer. So I'm excited to try their bronzer. And a skin serum. It's called Skin Longevity Serum. So I'm excited to try that. And then when I was checking out, they had this for a really good special. I could kind of use a new blush anyway, so I got this Gen Nude blush and this lip balm. It's tiny in the shade Darling. So that's it. And Bare Minerals had the 20% off sale, and I got the free gift, which is really nice. So that's it for me for makeup for a while probably, but I did need most of those updates. So I'm glad that I was able to update my makeup bag. Okay, I'm actually gonna go do my makeup really quickly, and then I'll come back and tell you what I think. Okay, so this is the makeup look, and I like it a lot. I really like the foundation on the bottom because it's quite sheer, and then I like this on top. I think that's quite nice, actually. So I'm really glad that she recommended that to me, and I'll try different combinations. Maybe I'll just do a review one time of if you only use the powder or if you only use the foundation, and then maybe together to compare all of them. But anyway, that is the makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to hang out with my sister yesterday, and I love shopping for makeup. I only do it about once a year or so because, you know, it can get dangerous because I just want things. So, but anyway, it was good. I updated a lot of the things that I needed, and I had fun while doing it. So I hope that you had fun too. If you like this type of video, please hit the thumbs up to let me know. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you soon. Bye.